There are two things that I love about this leather belt. First and foremost is it is full grain leather. Yes, look, that's what it says right there on the belt. 100% full grain leather. And when you look at it and you feel it, you know that's true. It looks so nice. Look at that. That's such a nice clean look at the front of your pants to have it like that. The second thing that I like is how it works. So you push this little button and the ratchet opens and you take it off. So you can see here, you see the ratchet pieces. Yep. And so to put it on, you simply slide this guy through there and wait for it. You can hear the clicks. Yep. So very slick. It works so nice. Now the other thing that's cool is right here you can release this part, and if it's too long you can trim this end of the belt to get the perfect fit. Don't trim this, don't trim this end. This is the nice looking end. This end you could trim it and you won't see it because it's on the back side. And then you will have the perfect fit for what you want. Such a nice belt. I've got the right pair of jeans and boots to go with this. I can't wait to wear it. I dig it. I recommend it.